Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer crypto from Bitvavo to Binance Smart Chain. So first, you'll need a wallet that can connect to BSC, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. So in this example, we're going to be using the MetaMask. So first, you have to install MetaMask extension or mobile application on your phone, and then add Binance Smart Chain to the MetaMask. So to do that, just open your MetaMask, click on the network drop down, and then tap on add network or add custom network. And then you just have to enter these details right here, and after that, just tap on save. Step number 2 is to get your wallet address. So in MetaMask, you have to switch to BSC network and then just copy your BSC wallet address. So it starts with 0x. So step number 3 is to check supported networks on Bitvavo. So before withdrawing, you have to log into Bitvavo. So go to withdraw section for your coin and look for the supported networks for withdrawals. So let's say for example, the USDT, it usually is for ERC20 only. BTC is for native Bitcoin network only. And for the BNB is BNB or BEP2 or the Binance Chain or BEP20 Binance Smart Chain. So if BSC is not supported, you must withdraw via ERC20 or the native chain to MetaMask. Then you just have to bridge it to BSC. For step number 4 is to withdraw crypto from Bitvavo to MetaMask. So let's say for example USD via Ethereum. So in Bitvavo, you have to click on withdraw on the asset, then paste your MetaMask Ethereum address, not the BSC yet. So you just have to confirm the transaction and wait for the confirmation. So it could take minutes to hours. So you just have to be patient. And then your USDT will arrive on Ethereum network in MetaMask. Now after that, you just have to bridge or swap the Binance Smart Chain. So now that you have the tokens in MetaMask, you must bridge it. So here we have 4 options. First is Binance Bridge. This is if available. And we also have the multi-chain, AnySwap, the portal bridge, and the seller bridge. So in this example, I'm gonna show you the example of multi-chain. So you just have to go to this link right here and connect to your MetaMask and then select Ethereum. And for the to section, you have to put BSC. And for the asset, you just have to, let's say for example, USDT. And you have to enter the amount and confirm the swap and pay gas fees. So after bridging, your USDT appears on Binance Smart Chain in MetaMask. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!